Hi there, Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, I will teach you how to find or there is exists duplicate values in our data. So we should focus on our primary data. So our primary data is employee ID. So there is any duplication. So how to check it, dear student? So I use option. First I select this column and then I use this option group by. Okay, so you see we need to count. If more than one is mean there is duplications. Have a look at, you see 1111 and then you see, oh, so actual data is big, so we can filter out. You see there is a duplication. You see how many duplicate values, multiple values, there are 10 values are duplicated. So these IDs are actually duplicated. 10 IDs, employee IDs are duplicated. So how to rectify? Okay, dear students, first we need to select all columns and then we need to press shift button. Need to select all columns. We select it and then we go, come back this employee ID and then click right mouse click, remove duplicates. You see remove columns. Okay, now I use same option group by and then no, there's still there is exist duplicates. So group by, we use group by and then check it, there's no duplicate values right now. So thank you for watching, see you then.